Hi, I'm Petra from Collab Teams. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a message in Slack. Let's get into it.
This is super handy if you are, for example, working on a weekend and you don't want the message to land in your clients or your team members Slack until Monday morning maybe, or maybe you're working late at night or very early in the morning and you want to make sure that your message is sent within office hours. It could also be if you have a deadline, or say you're wanting to remember someone's birthday and send a birthday message within Slack, you can schedule these messages. So the way that you do that is you would type in your message. So the way that you do this is you click on this little button next to the send button, which is a arrow pointing down, and that means schedule for later. So what will happen is you will see a favorite, so you can just schedule it at Monday 9 a.m. It's a quick way of doing it, or you can set a custom time. So if we click on this, it will then allow us to change the date. So say we want to schedule this on the Tuesday and we can select a time. We want to send this at 3 p.m. and then we can go schedule message. And now we will see your message will be sent to Apple on August 8th at 3 p.m. And you can also click on see all scheduled messages if you want to see them, if you want to delete them. But that is a quick way of scheduling your messages within Slack so that you don't miss out on any important dates, and making sure that your messages are getting to clients within office hours. I hope that you found that helpful, and I will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel or visit our website collabteams.com.au. See you next time.